Hey guys, I'm Gina, and I want to thank the brand for sending over this for me to share with you guys. This is a beautiful matcha whisk set, and first of all, I think it's such a pretty set. I love that it comes in this beautiful gift box. This would make a beautiful gift if you're looking to gift one of these to someone. I think it's a great starter set, and if you're trying to make matcha at home and want all the main tools in one place, this set includes everything you're going to want. I love here in the top of the box, it says Matcha Moments, Lifelong Memories. It comes with a matcha bowl. So here's the matcha bowl. It comes with the bamboo whisk. It's a bamboo scoop. Let me show you this up close. Love this little strainer that it comes with. This is the tea towel that it comes with. I want to show you this. It's really pretty, and this is machine washable. This whole set is just really beautiful. This has a beautiful wooden lid. Of course, there you go. You see that? The bamboo whisk has those really fine bristles that are specially designed for matcha. So it's meant to help create that nice frothy texture that people really want. And I love that the bowl has a spout on it because it makes it easier to pour without making a mess. So as I mentioned, the tea towel is machine washable too, which is really nice. And I just love how the design on the tea towel matches the whole set. I really like how nice the handbook is. It does start from describing what all of the pieces of the set are for and gives you all the explanation on how the whole process works and how to get started on your matcha tea journey. I think this whole set is beautiful. It's a very thoughtful gift. It's functional, beginner friendly, and really, I mean, right from the box, it's giftable. And I think it's a gift that would make you feel good to actually give. So if you're looking for a matcha tea set for yourself or to give to someone else, I think this is a really fantastic one to start with.